हे गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस आज के इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं HTML, जो आप टाइटल देखकर और थंबनेल देख के तो समझ ही गए होंगे। हाँ, थोड़ा सा माउस लिखना पड़ रहा है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा अजीब लिख रहा है, पर HTML आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं इसको क्लियर कर देता हूँ। हाँ, और उसके बाद टेक्स्ट पे जाके यहाँ पे हमारा टॉपिक है वो लिख देते हैं, जो है HTML। और चलिए इसके बारे में जान लेते हैं। तो अगर हम लोग HTML के बारे में जाने तो HTML का जो फुल फॉर्म अगर बात करें, क्योंकि HTML देख के लगता है कि एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, तो इसका जो फुल फॉर्म है वो होता है हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। सो HTML स्टैंड्स फॉर हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। तो मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ जिसके आपको मैं यहाँ लिख चुका है HTML। सो HTML स्टैंड्स फॉर हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। तो ये था इसका फुल फॉर्म। So what is its use and like talking about its definition. So HTML is the standard markup language. It's used for creating web pages and it describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label piece of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, and etc. etc. So whatever I speak to now was will consider as a definition, and before that what I have told would be the full form of HTML. So whatever I have told, let me just write it over here for your convenience. Now only we are just doing what is what is HTML, just the introduction. So yeah, you have to know definition of HTML to understand it better. सो HTML जो होता है मार्कअप लैंग्वेज होता है वेब पेज क्रिएट करने के लिए। अब वेब पेज क्या होता है? तो जब हम लोग कोई ब्राउज़र खोलते हैं, तो जो होम पेज आता है ना, उस पे हम लोग बहुत सारे टैब्स खोलते हैं, तो उन सारे टैब्स को हम लोग वेब पेज कहते हैं। और जब हम लोग उन सारे टैब से जब यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होता है रिलोड, उसके जस्ट बगल में जो फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड ऑप्शन होता है, उसमें अगर हम लोग बैकवर्ड ऑप्शन को क्लिक करने के बाद जब एकदम स्टार्टिंग वाले पेज पे आ जाते हैं, तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं होम पेज। तो एक होम पेज हो जाता है, एक वेब पेज हो जाता है, एक हो जाता है वेब ब्राउज़र। तो वेब ब्राउज़र हमारा हो जाता है क्रोम, गूगल, यूसी ब्राउज़र और फायरफॉक्स। ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्राउज़र्स अवेलेबल होते हैं। और अब तो 2020 में भी बहुत सारे लाइक ब्राउज़र्स आ चुके हैं। कुछ ब्राउज़र्स कहते हैं लाइक दे डू नॉट कंसिस्ट एनी टाइप ऑफ ads in their YouTube or etc., which we can see in the ads of YouTube. So these were the examples of web browser and what is a web page. Now it is saying that it consists of a series of elements, which will I will not explain it now, or you will not be able to now memorize or understand it. When we will study about HTML, then we will know about it. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Like how to display the content means that if we want to make a web page of a form like registration form, so we will tell the browser to how to display the content, how to add a form, how to add a table. And this all you will know in this YouTube channel, in the HTML series of my YouTube channel. And it's some examples, yeah, heading and paragraph and a link, etc. So let's get started with that. So now we can make a HTML program on Notepad and MS Word. And these two were the application we used to make HTML program. So, so first of all, we have to open our Notepad, and you have to remember an extension. The extension you have to remember to just a second. Yeah. So you have to remember an extension to save a document. And what is an extension? Let's know about it. So when you save any file or folder, Like in MS Word, it will save as an extension dot dox, and if it's like in presentation in a PowerPoint, and it is ppt. And that's why we say like we have to make a pptx and for etc. So these are called the extension. In there are different extensions for different Microsoft Office. So to make a web page for HTML, we have to know the extension which is .html or .htm. And you can, I have already told you that we can make it on Notepad and also on MS Word. So I will prefer Notepad better than WordPad because like everyone who use HTML will use Notepad only. So you can also use some online apps to make that. So I will prefer an online apps that is code.org. So it's also a very interesting app, and the link will be available in the description box. And it's like very easy. So how to open it? Let's get started with that. So after clicking in the link I have given, you will come with this type of interface, and then you have to sign in. So after signing in with your Google account, if you don't have a Google account or anything, you can just create that. So just a second. So after creating that, you have to go to, after creating that, this interface will be there. You have to go on create, and then view all projects. Okay, then on all projects you have to go view full list, and then so after clicking on web lab, you will see an interface like this. And you have to delete all this thing. Okay, and let's start with the introduction. I'll remove everything. Okay, okay, it's saying. So when you want to create a web page in an HTML, you need first to know doc type HTML, which is an important attribute. And there are some attributes and things which we know should know in HTML. So doc type HTML is very important. You have to write this, and HTML is also very important. So you have to write these three things, which is HTML head and also body. And then if allow me tell tell I am want to tell you that there are two type of elements in an HTML. One which is called the complete element, and one is incomplete element. In the complete element, you comes which are such as body, such as HTML head body, where we need to add the off tag. What is the off tag? So this is called the off tag, where if we have written head, then we have to off the tag. Now then we have to off the HTML tag, then it is called the off tag of HTML. Now you can see that after adding the off tag of HTML, the error which was showing has gone because it's the perfect format of writing a HTML document. You can say that it is a format like a letter, because these things should be there. Now, after writing HTML and head, what we have to write in the head tag? So these are the head tag, which head tag and HTML tag. So in the head tag, we have to write the title, and title we have to write something like this. And then we have to write the title of our web page, which I'm going to do my first web page, which is not my first web page, but it's your web page. Or you can write something else. You can write, it's your wish. So I've written the title as laugh out loud, as you can see over here. And then while showing error over here, how can we know that it is an error or not? So when you see a red line over any of the numbers, it means that there is an incorrect or anything in this line. Okay. So we cannot see what is incorrect. We just show what is an incorrect. So here, what is an incorrect? yeah, the off tag of title. We have to write the off tag of title, and this is called the complete tag. Why it is called a complete tag? There are some other tags which do not require this off tag, such as the br tag. And what is the use of br tag? So br tag means to it's just an enter tag. It's just used as an enter. So like to go any paragraph or any sentence in the next line. So any word also, or you can say any phrase or anything you want in the next line, we use the br tag. We can use br once, twice, thrice, but we thrice, but we never use off tag of br. After adding the title and the off tag of head, then everything, every whatever we have to write inside the html tag, which means that html tag would be at the last. So we have used html in the on the front and at the last. And I want to also tell you that doc type html is not necessary. You can remove it also, but this will not consider in this platform which I am using, I think. Okay, it's correct. So you can remove doc type html, but you do not have to remove the html head. And after adding the title, you have to add your tags. Some tags are like body tag. So let's use the body tag. Body tag is used to write the body, and it's very necessary to write any paragraph. So after adding the body tag, we have to write my first web page. If you are using the title, my web page, and I will write subscribe and like my, okay, okay, like my YouTube channel, LOL. And it is showing here wrong. Why it is showing here wrong? Because we haven't used the off tag of body. So let's use the off tag and body to make it correct. Now it's correct. So now what we have to, you can see over here, as we do it in the body, it shows over here. And like let's remove this enter. Now I'm not liking my web page. I want to add many more effects. I want to change the background. To change the background, we will add over here style, then colon, and then the background ground dash color. The spelling of the color would be color. It is the spelling in the computer we use this type of spelling, which is, let's choose red over here. And then this is very important. The semicolon is very important. If you not would put there, then it would not consider. And here let's use equals to. Oh, sorry. Yes. So equals to is very important over here. Now I'm the size of the web page of the letters. I am not liking that. So I will use the text. Okay, sorry. Font dash size. We have to remember this, which would be 50 px. What is px? The full form of px is pixel, and we use this in the writing the script of Java, Python, and C++, etc., and also in HTML to know any size of any letters or any font. You use px, and the default is 12, I think 18 or 12 px. So now I am not liking the font. So I'm not liking the font. So font dash family. We will choose any font family such as let's use if it supports it. Okay, I don't think it will support it. No, it's not. No, it's, I think not supporting it. So let me choose any other font family. Let me search for it. In the MS Word, you can see many font families, so you can see from there. I'm just seeing from there only. So I'm not able to find anything in MS Word. Let's see in MS Word. Okay, I found it. I don't know how it's. So let's use this. You can use any font which you like from MS Word or any other application. So okay, it's not taking. Let me just write the spelling. Let us take this one. This one is that. Okay, we cannot take it. It's an image. So let's go to and search and let's type over here the spelling. It, hope the spelling is black. It was black or black. Okay, it's black. Black. Okay. So now. So now the font has changed, as you can see. And if you will remove it, it will change a slight bit. You can yes, it's changing. Okay. So you can see the slight change in the font, and then I'm not liking the alignment. So let's go change the alignment. Text dash align. Let's take left align and then close it. And our left, I think, is the default one only. Let's use center. 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 Mhm. I think something is wrong. Okay, center align. Let's remove align over here. Okay, because I've used very large letters, so that's what's not taking. Because like how we will center align and left align over here, so that's the problem. Let's check one more time if it's done or not. No. So let's leave it. Okay, so you can just remove it. I will tell you in the next video about it with the more ideas. Okay, so now I want it to be bold. So how we will make it bold? For bold, we will use the art tag. And I want to tell you that bold tag is a complete tag. So we will use off tag of B. Yes. Okay, and now let's use italic. I want to italic it. It's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. It's very simple. So we can underline everything. Okay, I haven't used the off tag. Okay, okay, okay. Now off tag of you. So it's okay. What's is incorrect in it? Off tag B I U. Bold is done. I. Off tag of I. Move backspace this and also this. And now it's correct. Okay. Oh, sorry, sorry. Set. Now it's correct. Okay, now it's also wrong. Let us remove this and let's see. Okay. And remove this also. Now it's correct. It means that it was wrong in the I tag only. Italic it's I only. Okay, it's again correct. So I'm just seeing to it. Now let's see what is wrong over here. Let's off tag it. Now is it wrong? Okay. Let us tag a paragraph tag over here and let's see over the problem. Now I think no problem should be there. Now off tag of uh let me use it for the BR tag, okay? Okay, now it's coming. I don't know why, but you can try this, and I don't think any other problem is coming. You and then mine of tag of you. I think you are able to see it, and now again it's the problem. I don't know what is the problem. Let me again cut this and add it over here, and it's again correct. So okay, nice. That was today in today's video in the introduction of HTML, how to create a sample HTML document. Okay, just a sample. Okay, so me to next you video about the detailed about the HTML document. Oh, I forgot to tell about the paragraph tag. So the p tag which I have used is also called the paragraph tag, and in the paragraph tag it is used to add different tags in different HTML. Okay, let me tell you. Like if you are writing a body style, and then the body style is color red. Okay, okay, I will tell you this in the next video so that your concepts will be clear about the paragraph tag. So I will tell you everything about paragraph tag because about paragraph tag it's long. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And the web page is also saying, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also like today's video if you like. I'll get something new about today's video.